Welcome to the product close-up of the Cottage Kitchen stamp and dies from our new Warm and Cozy holiday release. So here's the stamp set, and I'm showing some of the dies. I'm going to show them all, but I just thought I would break it up into chunks. So this is a delightful set continuing the cozy collection. The illustrator is Christie Black, and this lovely Cottage Kitchen stamp set coordinates also very well with the Cozy Christmas Cottage. So it's the same type of bears, and you can just extend your scene. You can put some items, whatever items in here will fit. So like the Santa hat will also fit this bear. So this is a really cute baking set that just continues in the tradition of the cozy stamp sets that we already have. And you're going to flip over one of the dies. I am so excited about this. So first off, we have the cute parent and child bear and some accessories that go with them. And then we have some furniture from the kitchen. So the refrigerator, and this is the part you're going to flip over. Here is the stove. It actually die cuts in such a way that you can open this up. How cool is that? So you could, pull the flap over and have your baked goods in there, and it is just so cute. And it's very easy to line up. You just have to make sure you actually don't see most of the black. You want to just see the white bar, like just exactly like this. And I got it right on the first try. So if I can do it, you definitely can do it. So that's how you want to line it up. And it's really easy and creates such a fun little item for your card. So I'm going to remove this die. Then we have a kitchen counter right there. And we have some baked goods, which can go into the oven. So we have a baking sheet, some bread, pies, cookies, a loaf, cupcakes. I mean, everything. We have everything and anything. So if you want multiple cookies, you can, die cut another one and it'll fit on there. So really cute items. Okay, so let me remove some of this. I got to keep that cute oven and stove. All right, so on top of the stove, you can put a frying pan right here if you want. So there's a frying pan. And then in addition, there's one little die. There's a die cut right here, which is kind of like a shelf. So if you want to make multiple shelves that will, keep items like flour and sugar on top. How cute is that? Or you can keep, some utensils up here. Then, we have everything, pot holder, bowl, rolling pin, spoon, of course a coffee mug, because gotta have a little caffeine while you're baking, some cookbooks, and then a little dish towel. So much fun, these sets. There's just so many different ways you can use them to create fun little baking holiday scene. And as I said, you can, why not take some of the other items from here? You can certainly make, the kitchen scene more Christmassy, but that's the fun thing too. It can be used year round. So, but you can make it more Christmassy if you want. Here's an adorable card made by Jenny of the DT with the stamp and die set. We can't wait to see what you make with the Cottage Kitchen stamp and die set. Don't forget to tag us on social media. Thank you for watching.